If you've been wondering if you're having problems with ocular migraines or vertigo, this is the video for you. My name is Dr. Greg Gersten, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years through natural means without drugs and surgery. If you like that idea, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're always sharing information on how you can live the best life that you can. Now, vertigo and ocular migraines commonly get confused for each other, and they're really different. You see, ocular migraines are an episode where you wind up losing vision or become spotty really quickly and really short. Now, vertigo is a bit different in that it winds up making the room feel as though it's spinning around you. And this feeling can last for minutes, but it can also last for hours or days. Very different experience. For either of these, some of the essential things that you've got to do is make sure that your brain is clear. You've got to make sure that your eyes are working properly. You've got to make sure that your cervical spine is working or your neck is working properly, and you got to make sure that your jaw is working properly. What I've found for either of these cases is a great place to start is your corrective chiropractor. They have an understanding of both of these conditions and can help decipher which one you're going through and what's the right next step for you. If you've got questions about ocular migraines or vertigo, go ahead and write them down below, and we'll do our best to wind up answering them. If you know someone who's going through one or the other, pass this along so they can know the difference and maybe begin to take the steps that they need. Once again, my name is Dr. Greg Gersten, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.